Number 4, Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is same like ChatGPT AI model. First we search online, Microsoft Copilot. Then we go into the website. So here you can see that this AI model interface is same like others AI models. So in the text box we can write our prompt and this AI will give us answer. Now here has some options like quick search button. If we click here then we can see that there has deep think option. So if we use this option then this AI model will do deep research and give us more better result. Then in the right side, there has plus button. With this button, we can upload file and tell this AI to do particular work. Then in the right side have microphone option, where we can use voice command for writing a prompts. Then in the top left, there is sidebar option, where we can access our chat history. And also we can start new conversation. Now in the top right side, if we click on the profile button, then we can see that there has 1 month free option. This means we can use the premium version free for 1 month. So Microsoft Copilot also not free. It has premium version as well. So this is the all about Microsoft Copilot AI model. I hope you understand.